Good morning and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to focus on evaluate each expression that is from 26 to 29, and let's take two of them and solve them. Let's take the 26 first, right? 26. So it is 8 to the power 2. So we can write it as 8 into 8 and we'll be having 64, right? Let's take it 28. That says 3 to the power 5, so we can write 3 5 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1 2 3 4 5. So 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 3 is a 81, and 81 into 3 is 243, right? And let's do it for 27 also. So 10 to the power 6, which says 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, right? So we can write it as 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it is 1 million. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.